Thus far in this course and in the apps we built in this course, we only covered the scenario that we have essentially one page in our application. And of course, in most applications, you actually have more than one page, or a screen as it's also called. You might have a user profile page, a page with all products. Then when you tap on a product, you see the details for that product on a separate screen. And you can navigate between these screens with the back button, by swiping back, or maybe you have some tabs at the bottom, or a drawer, which you can open with a hamburger icon in your top navigation bar. And that's exactly what we'll have a look at in this section. In detail, we'll have a look at what navigation and screens are, what these terms mean, and what they mean in Flutter apps, and how you can add navigation to Flutter apps. You'll learn about pushing and popping pages and what this means and how it works in Flutter. We'll have a look at adding tabs and drawers to an application so that you have different ways of switching between different areas of your app. And last but not least, a super important topic, of course, you will also learn how to pass data between your screens. So how you may, for example, pass the data about an selected item into the detail screen that opened up for that icon. These are all things we'll have a look at in this module now. Throughout this module, we'll build this application here. This application where we can browse meals by category, mark them as favorites if we like them, set filters where we can decide which kind of meals we want to include, so that I now, for example, only include vegetarian meals like this one, gone is the toast and the burger. And we can of course also use tabs here to then, for example, see our favorites. Now, as you can already tell, you'll learn a lot about navigating around, going back and forth, using tabs, and using the side drawer, and even many things which you don't see here on first look. And as a side effect in this module, you also learn how to build a beautiful application with many new cool features and widgets which we haven't used thus far in the course.